Our next awardee, who is walking up to the dais now, is a student who is always calm and supportive, Miss Aisha Zara Bathul P.J., the helping hand, the first to volunteer whenever someone needs assistance. Daughter of Mr. Jakriya P.M. and Mrs. Juvairia P.R., residing at M.M. Layout, Gonikopal. She loves dancing and playing Ludo board game. Her favorite dish is chicken kebab and her favorite subject is English. Her ambition is to become doctor. She has completed reciting all 30 juz of Quran and she own 100% completion of Khathamul Quran certificate. Congratulations, Aisha Zara Bathul.